Hello, hello. The day two of the part two, day two of the installing my 220 outlet from the main breaker panel. Let's try this baby here. So it's supposed to, you're supposed to press this, and then it goes into the mode, and then you can go and easily and check the wires, connectors. This is my 40 amp lead, and that's a normal lead. Okay, let's check it how it looks like. Okay, turn the light on. I knocked these guys so it is off, in off position. I knocked these two places last night, and added this, proudly made by me, Ivan Alar, 40 amps electric car charger. 40 amps QP type, like these guys here. And I'm very proud of it. It's not bad looking. Let's leave this guy here for now. Yeah, I made it really nice. I'm proud of myself, actually. This is really nice and tight, not too tight. I made this and I made this. Everything is like last night, only this edition. I just kind of followed the other guys, and I noticed that they like here in Canada to follow, maybe it's not code, but they like to follow the cord kind of rule. The cord is kind of following the lower portion of the joist. And I did move it from the top one, from the top kind of middle position, into kind of lower one. So it's still looking good. It doesn't touch anything. I mean, it touches, but it's not. It's everything insulated and everything is okay. But I just wanted to show you that I finished that portion. Last night I was working with with the lights and everything. See, no 40. This one has, of course, this is a dryer, this is a range, and this is the mine 40. It's off, so no electricity. We're gonna go, that's a ground or a bond, whatever, however they call it. It's connected through here, and I believe it must be connected outside too, but I just left it outside like that because that's the way how I found it. So there you go. I'm ready to tackle it down. I have a tackle gun, and I'm ready to do the final inspection before the closing the panels with the drywall. Right? I already did some, so everything is nice and patched. All the openings, I tried to make it nice. See. Nothing, and then it comes here because we have on the outside 110 volts. That's this one guy here, which I already checked. I don't want to repeat myself, but it is what it is. That's me. I need to tackle this with the tackle gun and finish with the tack tape, and then I'm gonna be putting this guy back, and finally that's gonna be it. Yeah, what I'm gonna be doing next is project in the garage. I already prepared everything. The car is out. Yeah, I'm gonna be cutting this guy here about 6 inches. That's quite 6, 7, maybe 8 inches. And I bought this guy here, which is as you can see, a ½ inch, 1.27 centimeters. 5 hole, 1 hole here, and 4 on the side. So it's gonna be on top of this guy here. The lead is gonna come here, and outside I'm gonna be using these guys here. That's 1 inch or ½ inch. 1/2 inch because I'm using this guy. It's a aluminum sheet tech cable, 4 wires. Yeah, I'm gonna be using this. As I said, this is already turned off, so there's no electricity here. Using this pressure thing guy here without the screw. I mean with the screw, but the screw is just pushing the basically this whole assembly because it's aluminum sheet or armor PVC. And the idea is just to follow this, maybe try to find a stud and then go all over there and then install the range receptacle. How about this one here, plastic one, which fits nicely, and that's gonna be main idea. I'll be using these lugs. Yeah. And installation. That's it. That's the project number 2, and it's gonna be almost finishing, almost done. So that's basically extension. What's the name of it? It's extension box, right? That location outlet box. So it's gonna be outside of this thing. Let's see how that's gonna finish.
The opposite.
What?
This edge is supposed to be
Oh, što nisi rekla?
Što sam vidio?
Ok, prekin snimaj. Ođi, nigdje. Ok. That one has already gone. That's a big guy here. The big boy. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. It's supposed to go into this thing, into this root here, and then inside, like this, all the way. Yeah, yeah, baby. Something like that. Well, anyway, that's the idea. We want to finish this because if we don't, it's never gonna be cleaning time. Has to be in the stud, of course, and not in our. Closing time, and it's gonna be cleanup time. That's it. This one is empty. Now let's finish this small guy here. But that's the main idea, right? Yeah. Seems like I'm missing pieces. Anyway, that's the idea. See you in the next step. Stud. That's important not to have these guys. Oh.
No, готов.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Not this one. This one. The guy was hiding. See? The guy was hiding behind. Stud. Uh-huh. Study. Closing up the gaps. And basically that's it. The small one is for here. For this open here. Right? The small one comes here. Somehow. I don't know how. Okay. Like this and then. Not exactly like that. But that's the idea anyway. It's gonna be a lot of patching time later. Okay, stud time. That would be too much force. Good. Very close to this guy here. So you know what? I'm not gonna play with this because I don't want to be ruining my whole work because of this. See, that's the wire. I went very close to this guy here. I'm gonna be leaving this open like this. Because I don't want anything there. Because it's very dangerous. You don't want to put it, but I guess it's a red tape. Has to be. You have to be very careful. We don't want to drive it to there. No, didn't touch it, but still was pretty close. Okay, that's very careful. Oh, what size is it? So, just a quick reminder, when you do the installing back panels, see, that was the original hole, that was the original hole. I didn't pay attention. I tried to make a hole here, so, see, luckily I was below. I hit here or here, I don't know. I didn't hit the cable, but even if I did hit the cable, I probably wouldn't penetrate it because the thickness of the panel drywall, but still it's not good idea. It's not good idea to do it. Better avoid, completely avoid. So just go above or underneath. So pay attention closely where you put your nails or the screws because you could basically penetrate. What's up? Go play upside please. Yeah, so luckily I didn't hit it, but I'm not gonna do close to it. So I'm just gonna avoid completely. So that's the no-no, big no-no. I'm gonna put the sign so not use this. The kids are playing upstairs, having fun while I'm slaving here. So that's a no. No means no. But luckily everything's fine. I'm gonna leave it open just so I check. No nicks, no nothing. And then we're gonna go this way. Finally into the garage. So I put this here, I put this bundle here, see? Nicely following the studs, and I put this railing here. So basically the basement is finally done. Let's move to the thing here. What I want to do is always make sure. So make sure, press LCD, so non-contact voltage, and you go check. I'm going to be following the stud here. So following the stud, no electricity, right? See, there is a conductor here, not here, but here is one. But if I follow the stud and be careful, I'm not going to hit another. Or come close to this guy here, see? So that's a lead. Here, when I want to go here, see? There is something here. So I'm not going to be putting screw here because obviously there is electricity here running here. So I have to be very, very, very careful. Nothing, 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 nothing. See? Nothing here. Nothing. So, yeah, be careful because that's the problem when you want to do, especially if you don't remove the plates, I mean the drywall, then it's really, really careful, and this device is very helpful. Okay, let's do this. See you in a bit. Bye bye.